starting point was the family's energy. Their love for color, music and storytelling was palpable. Their playlists, their anecdotes, their laughter, that was our blueprint. Hi, I'm Jahan Arra from JJ Poonawalla Architects and Interior Designers, and today I'm on the 29th floor of Lodha Altamount in this beautiful home. Factors that we wanted to bring to life in this project was that every room should have a different story, its own rhythm, its own mood, and its own feeling. A little bit of Wes Anderson, Indian maximalism kind of made sure that the entire space was not muted at all. The flow of the house is like a curated mixtape with each room has its own rhythm, each room has its own tempo. So the minute you walk into the foyer, we've got this vibrant wallpapers, and then we've got bedrooms for the two girls spilling off that foyer. The living dining are open, more public, interactive, and yet allow the bedrooms to be recessed into their own alcoves. So this is the master bedroom of the apartment. To say it's vibrant is an understatement. We've got turquoise as the main color, but it's a jewel color, so we've used it all over, including the main focal column of the building. We've also got a fabulous wallpaper all over the ceiling, which offsets the turquoise, and of course, wooden finishes. We've gone wild with the color palette here, and it's so vibrant. It's got blues, it's got ochres, it's got rusts, it's got sage green, it's got the whole palette right there. And yet it's pretty grounded with velvets, the carpets, all of that also mutes the very vibrant colors. So while I love every part of this deck, it's an oasis, it's a sanctuary, it's a gazebo, it's all rolled into one, I still have one special corner. And this is it. You can sit here, enjoy your cup of coffee, read peacefully, quietly, with this lovely vintage altar that we have at the background. It's actually from an old church, and just enjoy the view. Coming to Lodha Altamount has been such a pleasure, and they've really supported us as designers with a beautiful layout where rooms spill out with views, letting loads of natural light in. It's all in a well thought out space. Luxury is not just about finishes. It should make you feel something. When you walk into a space, smile unexpectedly, feel something, and carry that sense with you when you leave that space. Spectacular spaces need to have soul. And I think this space does that so well. It does have soul.